Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Analytics for Firebase in mobile apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your mobile app development project in your preferred environment. Ensure you have the Firebase SDK integrated into your project. Navigate to the Firebase console by visiting console.firebase.google.com. Create a new project by clicking on Add Project. Enter a name for your project and select your Google Analytics settings. Click Create Project and wait for Firebase to set it up. Once the project is created, click Continue to access your project dashboard. In the project dashboard, click the Add App button. Select either iOS or Android based on your app platform. For Android, register your app using its package name and click Register App. For iOS, enter the iOS bundle ID and click Register App. Download the Google Services. For Android, move the Google Services.json file to the app directory of your project. For iOS, add the Google Service Info.plist file to your Xcode project. In your Android project, open the build.gradle file at the project level. Add the Google Services plugin by including classpath com.google.gms Google Services x.x.x in the Dependencies section. In the app-level build.gradle file, apply the Google Services plugin by adding apply plugin com.google.gms.google Sync your Gradle files to ensure everything is set up correctly. For iOS, use CocoaPods to install the Firebase SDK by adding podfirebase/core to your pod file. Run pod install in your terminal to install the necessary Firebase dependencies. Now, initialize Firebase in your app's entry point. For Android, this is typically done in the onCreate method of your main activity. For iOS, this is done in the didFinishLaunchingWithOptions method of the app delegate. Add the necessary code to initialize Firebase in both cases. In your Android code, include Firebase app.initializeApp, this. In your iOS code, use FIR_app_configure. Finally, navigate back to the Firebase console. Go to the Analytics section and verify that data is being collected from your app. Your Google Analytics is now activated for your mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.